Ever pondered the significance of website loading speed, or how a hosting server can elevate this experience? Well, the answers lie in the core of our digital world. A hosting server is the heart that pumps life into a website. It's the storage space provided by a blog host's web server, where the files, information, and website code for your blog reside. This service enables anyone, anywhere in the world, to visit your site. Without a host, your blog site would be like an art gallery with no doors, inaccessible to the public. Speed, they say, thrills. It's no different with website loading speed. This is the time it takes for a web page to fully load once a request is made. Think of it as starting a car. The shorter the time between turning the ignition key and the car being ready to drive, the better. A fast-loading website contributes significantly to user experience, UX, and search engine optimization, SEO, making it a feature of a good blog hosting service. The connection between UX and SEO is undeniable. SEO determines how well a site ranks on search engines like Google and draws benefits from UX. In today's fast-paced digital world, speed has emerged as a critical UX component. Google, for instance, advises that online pages load in under 3 seconds. For e-commerce websites, less than 2 seconds is the golden standard. The speed of a virtual private server, VPS, can significantly impact website loading speed. VPS servers, with their inherent characteristics, have the potential to boost page loading speed, provided a few prerequisites are met. These include having a quick-responding web host service and a well-configured VPS layout. To put it in perspective, for resource-heavy websites that require a lot of code and database queries to run, upgrading web hosting can significantly affect how quickly pages load. In a nutshell, a hosting server plays a pivotal role in website loading speed. It's the silver bullet that can make or break the user experience. It can be the difference between a visitor staying on and exploring your website or bouncing off to a competitor's. So, the next time you're considering ways to enhance your website's performance, remember, it all starts with a good hosting server.
Ever wondered why your website isn't loading as quickly as you'd like? Or why, despite your best efforts, your page load speed doesn't match up to others in your niche? The answer might be simpler than you think. It's all about your hosting server. Consider this: a VPS hosting server can provide a whopping 62% increase in page load speed. That's a significant number, especially if your website has high traffic or resource requirements. But the benefits aren't limited to just high-demand sites. WordPress, Drupal, and other platform-based websites can all reap the rewards of an upgraded web host. Interestingly, it's the Magento websites that see the most substantial benefits. If your Magento site is experiencing slow load times due to high traffic, upgrading your web host can provide a serious speed boost. But before we delve deeper, it's essential to understand a few things. Firstly, website speed and server speed aren't the same. Think about it like your smartphone's hardware and software. If the hardware can't keep up, no amount of software optimization will make your phone feel fast. It's crucial to keep both your website and your server updated for optimal speed. Secondly, server speed is measured by the time it takes for a server to respond to a client request. This response time is a key indicator of server speed. Thirdly, a server's speed test takes into account the actual range of the data center, hardware specifications, server configuration, and network design. Google suggests an ideal server response time of 200 milliseconds. When constructing a website, it's essential to consider Google's Web Vital indicators, particularly the largest contentful paint and first input delay metrics. Any slower and your website will start to feel unresponsive. So what's the bottom line? A hosting server plays a pivotal role in ensuring your website is up and running smoothly. But to truly garner the benefits of a hosting server and achieve the fastest web hosting speeds, it's crucial to choose the right web host from the get-go. Instead of navigating the trial and error process, opt for a reputable provider. After all, speed matters, and in the digital world, every millisecond counts.